Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another fun and exciting video. We are doing a budget-friendly video today, baking soda nails. I definitely enjoy creating these videos for you guys because they're affordable and anyone can do them. So here, as you guys can see, I'm pouring in my baking soda, and the baking soda was about 60 cents at Dollar Tree, so it's very affordable and it's very long lasting. So this is why I also like creating these type of videos. Here we have the Leafu 2-in-1 base and top that I'll be using, some sort of brush to brush off the excess product, and then also I'll be using the L.A Colors Rapid Dry Top Coat. I definitely recommend this top coat. It's really good and it's only $1 at Dollar Tree. These polishes are awesome. They're super pigmented, you guys will see in the video, and they're only $1.50 at CVS, and the last polish I showed is $1 as well, and my rhinestones from Amazon. So here I will begin to build the nail for you guys, and in each video I like starting different ways, showing you guys how you can create and build a nice apex. So as you guys can see, I am starting from the bottom today. So today I will be creating the nail from bottom to the top of my cuticle area, and obviously depending on the thickness of your preference, that is up to you. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoy the process. So these are what the nails look like after I've built them to my liking. As you guys can see, I decided to go for a coffin shape. That is definitely one of my favorite shapes to go for when I am creating nails. So as you guys can see right here, I will just start filing. By the way, this is an 180 grit file. So I will just start filing straight down each side of the nail and then at a 45-degree angle. So as you guys can see here, I'm just showing you the simple process of filing, shaping, and buffing. These are what the nails look like after they've been shaped and filed, and now we'll just begin to buff the nails. Okay guys, so now I will begin to paint the nails, and actually something that I learned from another video that I did with the blue nails is that this time around with these polishes, or any polish indeed, I will just begin to paint my nails with a light layer of polish, and I rather build the nail polish because last time what happened was that I was just dropping so much huge layers of polish that it actually undid my shape a bit, and that is definitely a no-no for me because I love to have my nails crisp. So yeah, I'm here, as you guys can see right here, I'm just going to build the nails as I go, and I hope you guys enjoy watching. By the way, guys, if you guys struggle painting your nails, that is no problem, because you can always go back at the end and grab a random brush you have laying around and just clean up the cuticle area with any sort of acetone or nail polish remover. So that's also a really good tip that I can give you guys, because I know it's not the easiest thing painting your nails. And another thing, guys, let me know if you guys really enjoy these baking soda videos, if you'd like me to create more of these type of videos, dipping powder videos or poly gel. And thank you guys so much for all the love and support down in the comments. I really appreciate it. And all my subscribers, I reached 40 today, and I'm just so excited about it and just really appreciative. It really motivates me to just continue to post for you guys, so thank you very, very much. So I went ahead and added some rhinestones to finish off the look. So this is what they look like. I definitely like these nails. I think they're so fun. And now I'm just applying the LA Colors Rapid Dry Top Coat. So after this, what I usually do, I always apply the cuticle oil, and that's actually a very vital step that a lot of people don't do, and I recommend you guys always do it, because it allows the cuticle area to remain strong and therefore your nails to strengthen. So this is how the nails turned out. I definitely love them. Let me know down below what you guys think about these nails. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you so much once again for all the support. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Bye guys, till next time.